Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video, we are going to cover how we can use the get text method in Selenium. So let me switch back to my browser first. Okay. So I'll take one website that is book to scrape is the website. Let me okay. So once I'll just be in this page or I can open any of the book. Let's say I open this page. Once I come onto this page, right, I have to validate this text. I have to grab this text and also the price of this book I want to grab. Okay, so we can do it by using the getText method. So getText method, actually what it does, it grabs the text from the web page, and you can get the text and you can like manipulate the text or as per your requirement. So let's see how we can do it using Selenium. Let's get back to Eclipse. I will be creating a new class. Let me name it as a getText demo class. I need public static void main. Finish. Okay. Now let me set the property of the web driver. I will be using Chrome driver and initialize the driver. Okay. So this is the class. Okay, sorry, let me get back. Okay, this is it. Copy and paste. Okay, so let me just zoom it a little. Okay, so I have set the property for the Chrome driver and given the path of my Chrome driver, initialize the driver. I have to navigate to the web page. So driver.get method. In this, I will be providing my URL. The URL, let me take directly for this. It's only Himalayas book. This is the URL I've pasted. This will navigate to this URL. And then what? I have to grab this title of the book and price of the book. And let's say I will grab this in stock also. So get back to the inspect mode. For it's only Himalayas title. Inspect on the title. It's in the h1 tag under div class. Let's see which locator we can use. So if I say double forward h1, so h1 is the only like tag, so we can use by tag also. So driver dot find element by dot tag name, and the tag name is h1 for the title. Next we have price. Okay, so for price it's the paragraph p tag. Okay, let's see, double forward slash p. So we are having 22 elements that are having a starting tag as p. So let's write an XPath. It is having a class as price color. Let's see, class at the rate class. Okay, so we can use this one. Okay, we are getting 7 elements for this too. Why? Okay, because below we can see. Okay, I have to grab the first one, so I will enclose it in a bracket and use that I want the first one, so it is coming out to be the first one. Okay, so let's copy this XPath and driver dot find element by dot XPath, and the expression is this. Okay, now I want the stock as well, so I'll inspect So double forward slash p tag is having and at the rate class is in stock availability. Again, we are getting 7 elements, so I will enclose it in the parenthesis and I will use that I want the first one. So it is coming out to be the first one. I will copy it and driver dot find element by dot xpath. Okay, so now I am having all the three items for which I want to grab the text. So what is the method? Method is get text. Okay, here it is, get text method. What it is returning? It is returning one string. So I will capture the text in string variable with this was h1 tag was your title of the book. Title. Okay, let's say title. Next one is your what? Price. So here too we want the get text method, semicolon. This will grab the price of the book. And next one is your stock. Okay, get text method. So guys, here I am using get text method to grab the text of title, price, and also the stock. Now what I can do is I can print sys out, and the shortcut is control space. It will print system.out.println. So what I have to print is title of the book. Title of the book is title, right? Now sys out what price of the book is price, and the stock available is stock. So this is how we use get text method, where we have to locate the element and simply use get text method. It will grab the text of that particular web element and it will print. Let's run this, run it as a Java application. It's got started, navigated. So it identified, see, the title of the book is It's Only the Himalayas. It's Only the Himalayas. The price of the book, 45.17 euros. And what is the stock availability? It is in stock and 19 is available. In stock, 19 available. So this is a simple method that we use. So as per in perspective of testing, how we can check, like if the book is this, what would be the, if my book is, let's say Himalaya, then price should be 45.17. Then once grabbing all these texts, you can write here the logic, like if my under if condition you have to like if your title dot equals, if your title is this, if your title is this, then here you will validate the price. So it should be okay. It should be what? It should be 45.17. 45.17, and you got in the price. Price dot equals this. If your price is this, then like, one second, price dot, okay. So if this price what you grab from your web page matches to this, it will return true, hence your test case is passed. If it returns false, your test cases fail, right? So you can write the logic however you want it. So I'll just quickly run this as a Java application. And let's see what it prints. Okay, it grabbed the title, it grabbed, and it validated this condition. If my price what it grabbed from the web application matches to this, then it is reflecting as true. If your expected price would be 1.18, then it would return false. So this is how we can use the getText method in Selenium. That's all, guys. I would request you to please subscribe my channel, also like, and please let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions or feedback. I will surely incorporate that. Thank you very much. Bye.